In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files and folders to OneDrive. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log in to your Microsoft account. This is your gateway to all things Microsoft, including OneDrive. To do this, simply open your favorite web browser and head over to the Microsoft account login page. Here, you'll enter your credentials, the email and password associated with your account. This will give you access to your Microsoft environment, seamlessly connecting you to various services, including OneDrive. Now, if you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. But for the purpose of this tutorial, let's assume you're all set up and already logged in. Once you're logged in, the next step is to find the Apps Launcher. This is represented by a little grid icon located in the upper left corner of your screen. By clicking on it, you gain access to an array of Microsoft applications. It's essentially your control panel, allowing you to smoothly navigate through the different services Microsoft offers. Within this app launcher, you'll want to locate and click on OneDrive. For those unfamiliar, OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage solution. It keeps your files secure and accessible from anywhere, which is incredibly convenient whether you're working remotely or on the go. Once you're in your OneDrive, you'll notice a user-friendly interface, offering several options for managing your files efficiently. To upload your files or folders, look for the Create and Upload icon. It's prominently displayed on the interface, so it won't be hard to spot. By clicking on this icon, you're presented with options to either upload individual files or an entire folder. Decide which option suits your needs best. If you just have a few files to upload, select Files Upload. But if you're looking to upload a whole batch of documents, go with Folder Upload. After making your selection, a File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to navigate through your computer's folders. Take your time to find the files or folder you wish to upload. Once you've located what you want to upload, select it. You'll see an Upload button, which you'll need to click to initiate the upload process. The time this process takes can vary depending on your internet speed and the size of the files or folders you're uploading, so patience is key if it takes a little while. Rest assured, your files are being securely transferred to the cloud. Once the upload is complete, all of your selected files or folders will be successfully uploaded to OneDrive. From this point onward, you can access your documents from any device with internet access. This is a fantastic way to keep your important files backed up and your work thoroughly organized. And there you have it, a straightforward method to upload files and folders to OneDrive.